Welcome to another Chapter 6 video, again dealing with that normal distribution, and we're looking again at that same problem with the commute to work time. Still got the same mean, still has the same standard deviation, and we're still saying that it is normally distributed. We're looking at part C this time, but we're looking between two values rather than just less than or just greater than. So between 20 and 27. So again, identifying the distribution. Its mean. And its standard deviation. All that being given. And it's asking us, what's the probability that a single commuter has a mean time, travel time, between 20 and 27 minutes. More than 20, but less than 27. Again, we make that sketch. Centered there at 25. Some place down here is 20, and up in here is 27. And we're looking at the area between. There is no table for between. We can look up less than only. We can look up this area below 20, and we can look up and find this area less than 27. But we can't look up a between value. So again, we have to find our z-scores. The first one, again, it's an x minus mu over sigma. 20 minus 25 over sigma, which is 6.1. That gives us a score of a negative 0.82. That's our lower value. Negative 0.82 is less than z. Less than, and we find our second z-score, which is the 27 minus 25 over 6.1. That turns into a value of 0.33. Again, two place values only. Since you can't look up between, we're looking at the probability that z is less than 0.33 minus the probability that z is less than negative 0.82. All of this part, but we're subtracting off this part. That leaves us with that little piece right in there that we're looking for. Going to our tables, positive z for the 0.33, zero, 3, and underneath the 3. That's the 6293. The other one was the negative 82. Scroll down. A 0 negative, and the 2 is that third column. 2061. So 0.6293 minus 0.2061. All these steps being equal gives us our final answer of a 0.4232. Step 1, identify the distribution. Step 2, make a sketch. Step 3, find your z-scores. Excuse me, this was step 2, 3, and 4. Step 5 was rewrite it in the normal distribution. Step 6 being that using the table piece to find the probability. This step right there is huge. You have to make sure that you rewrite it as that subtraction using both less thans. And it's the probabilities that you find and subtract. It's not the z-scores that get subtracted. This is a special case. You've got to make sure you look at all your steps there and follow them. And again, can't stress enough, this step being performed in the correct order.